Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photopad tutorial how to add text. So if you want to add text in Photopad, you can click insert button and then you can click text tool. So you can click on the area, photo area, and you can set the name, like I will set into Rhino example. If you want to edit this text, you can select all the text object. And then you can see in the rec bar, there are a lot of options. You can set for the text type, like I will set into this text to be automatically changed. And for color, you can click at this point. I will set into blue color. Click OK. And then for bold, underline, and the other, you can click in here. If you're done, you can click outside like this. And you can move into another area. Or you can edit again, you can double click the text object and select all. I will set the color into red color. And that's it for a basic Photopad tutorial, how to add text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.